Donner DEP-20 digital piano. Just got it in the mail. Actually, I think it was Amazon. And package looks like it's in good shape. It's not all beat up. I'll show you in a minute, but I ordered a seat, matching seat. This is Donner on it for about 50 bucks on Amazon. And it came and it looked like it had been to a war zone and it was all beat up. I'll show you in case you're thinking about that. On the bright side, I ordered a stand as well, and the stand was fantastic. So anyway, so I've got looks like the sheet music holder on top, nicely covered up. Set this off to the side, and then I don't know if you can see into this, but it's protected. There is the owner's manual, instruction manual. And then I will pull this out. Looks like the styrofoam is cracked. There's stuff inside the styrofoam. I will pick that out in just a second. And I've got the wrong end. Get the box out. And I'll take this side of the styrofoam off. Set it over here. I'm going to have to set this on the carpet. I like to save this stuff just in case I move or something like that. Okay, so there she is. It's a lot bigger than I expected. Everything looks like it's in good shape. And yeah, really nice. Okay, so in here, looks like I've got a power supply. Yep, that'll work. And the sustain pedal, which is surprisingly very nice. So yeah, looks like it's in pretty good quality. There's a switch on here. I'm not sure what that is, but on the side it switches back and forth. I'll have to figure that out. It's got the big adapter on it, and it looks like that's it. Okay, so let me turn this around and I'll show you what I've got to put this on. This was what I was talking about earlier. Excuse the boxes, I'm in the process of painting my house. So I bought this Donner bench. And it's a cool little bench. It's really nice. It's got the logo and everything on it, but two of these corner inserts were all stripped out, and the bolts were the screws were just rolling around. The screw heads are rusted, which kind of pissed me off. But anyway, I put everything together. They gave me a wrench for it. Now, I've already got wrenches, but if I didn't have wrenches, I would have been screwed because it was the wrong size. But after I got it all together, it looks pretty good. It does have a nick in one of the legs that's pretty good. There it is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's white. And then, now this stand, it's a Z-shaped stand. I bought it on Amazon, and I'm trying to think of the name of this company, but fantastic. I mean, really well made. I'm in manufacturing, so I have a good feel for what's good and what's not. Anyway, so there it is. I kind of put it low because I was told that this keyboard was very thick, and it is. So I'm going to set it over here. I got to put some tape on this, but oops. Looks like my legs may be hung up on here, so I need to pull this out a little bit. But for now, and then if I sit down, let's see. Yeah, that's gonna be about right.